Kawai kekali kebadan yau registration number AS01LC1112 kala syakem hak Pulit Bhoi hadin bagi bor Pulit kala yo ya kejengtip kebet kena bagane kekali kawan nasy shelong ban Tiar Guahati kabakit ya Tiar Pynpthei. Arngut kala syakem no ke bakentup yau nongnya bat nong bot na kebenta ban syem ya kejeng tokit ke babanya.
Group.
Superintendent of Police Naripo District Ugiri Prasan ulai thu daga boong bagane kekali kami inais Janta Hills District bat Leit Charani Bazar Guahati daga Thmu ban Pynpoi ya Tiar Henry Marsin Poi habor nihat Police Outpost kala syabat no hak Pulit Bhoi kibala pen up Shrip nadu kapor ar baje menstem bat deh du kapor san baje menstem kila yo ban bat no ya kali.
I think around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock, so we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle is suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Barneyhat has set up a Naka around 2 o'clock. And we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle, number A01LC1112, was intercepted by the Barneyhat outpost Naka. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were two occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the two occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, Neogel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also two mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested, and Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that so Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal proliferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district, and any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing.
During the investigation, is there any legal documents you found from the vehicle?
No, there is no legal documents. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally, for transportation of explosives, they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized.
From which location, sir, did this vehicle come?
This had come from, suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details, come from Janta Hills, Ladrambai. Okay. And supposedly the vehicles was proceeding towards Rani Bazar, of Guahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.